Gua, 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 Guangdong baby, got the guang, got the dong, got it all. Guangdong, oh yeah, 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 Guangdong, China. I'm taking a stroll, seeing what's all about, looking all around. It's Guangdong, baby. Got the guang, got the dong, got it all. Guangdong, oh yeah, 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 Guangdong, China.
We're in the beautiful city of Taishan. Got some beautiful lanterns. Got some directions here. Chengdong Road, Xihua Road. Got some nice architecture down that way as well. And we're gonna just explore in the kind of historical area. I'll explain all that such more. And I think I have a night setting on here. We'll have to change that in a little bit. But yeah, so got all these really cool little houses everywhere down in here. So we're gonna go down this one and explore first. So let's check this out. I'm also gonna change the setting here. Okay, Taishan, let's put this up on the map. This is the first one, first impressions of Taishan. I have maybe 6 or 7. I even met a guy briefly who's an overseas Chinese, because this city is well known for overseas Chinese. That community went all over the world. And this is basically the city they're from. And it's not too far from Macau and Guangzhou. I'll put it up on the map so you can see exactly where it is. And we're going to explore it today and give you some first impressions. And then I'll follow up with some more videos of Taishan coming up in the future. I'll put up maybe a new one every 5 days for the next month and a half or so. Okay, first one, Taishan, first impressions. There we go. So I think the original one was a little bit saturated. So we're going to go across the street, check it out. This is Taishan. So you probably just saw where it's at on the map already. Got these kind of cool looking houses. Yeah, this is and that one has like all these well, we're getting explored and figured out. It's kind of a mix of different stuff, because some of it is historical. This is the historical pedestrian street, I believe. And I kind of got that vibe as soon as I got near here. We're gonna check it all out. So what that means is that this city is filled with overseas Chinese that emigrated to places like California or Australia or Malaysia or Singapore, all over the world actually, Peru. So if you go to the United States, historically, now it's a little bit different, because a lot of Mandarin speakers are in United States and everywhere all over the world now. But historically, it used to be predominantly Cantonese speakers from towns like this, from Taishan, and they would bring their money back and build the town. So there's some similarities here to like when I look at this, it kind of feels a little bit like something you might see in Malaysia or Singapore. But you also have like lots of, like this one is definitely not historical, so you get stuff that's kind of mixed in there, of course. But yeah, I love the those types of housing. Actually, if you looked at something like this, you could almost think it was like Vietnam, which is completely different culture, different everything. That was French influence. I shouldn't even compare it. But actually, oddly enough, Vietnamese do have a connection with Cantonese region, because they're both, a lot of the same people, before they became more nation states. Like historically, a lot of people in Guangdong would go up and down the coast, Fujian, and down the coast of Vietnam as well, historically speaking, like throughout all the ages of people that were in ships and boats going along the oceans and seas. Anyways, this looks like maybe a school. I'd imagine. Okay, yeah, it's really quiet here today too. It's a Tuesday right now, check this out. So we got kind of cool stuff like this window overlooking the street right here. Like those, it's kind of a cool little alley. And it's like this little apartment has like 3 sides, right? Like they can look down on the street as well. The street's pretty quiet though, so I don't know. There's some nice balconies right there. Solar panels? Huh. I don't even know what this one is. It looks like some kind of sage, but there's maybe somebody can tell me it's even in English. Could be from Chinese New Year. Oh, here's another one of these buildings that overlooks. It has the archway, but you know, like it's like built half with a foundation structure and half. Look at that. That's like the ceiling. It's like made out of wood. There's even little holes in the ceiling. It's kind of strange. So some of it is made out of, like this is probably cement going out here, and then other parts is made out of wood. And for all I know, this could be wood too, and then covered up with some kind of, I don't know. I'm kind of figuring it all out myself here. There's a temple over there. Anyways, we're kind of checking it all out ourselves in real time. Taishan's pretty cool though. I came in and it's like these cities are really interesting in Guangdong. Like this side right here, there's a few other ones too. Jiangmen, Kaiping, quite a few actually. Even in parts of Zhuhai and Dolmen, they have these old historical areas like this. But you also have kind of a mix, like those are definitely mixed in with the mix. But anyways, we're going to be giving you an idea of Taishan, just kind of strolling through the historical area and give you an idea what it's all about. And I'm not even sure if I'm in the heart of it, but I know I'm in a cool area, which is even better, right? Like if I was dropped off immediately in the very best place and then it just kind of like got less interesting. That's okay too if that happens, but all I really know is that I'm kind of in the area that I want to be in, but I don't know if I'm in the epicenter of it, if you know what I mean. Yeah, what I like about these, they call them arcades. A little bit confusing for an English speaker sometimes, but they use that vocabulary in English as well. Sometimes arcades mean like video games. Like there's a whole street of just more of them all the way down. Oh, as I'm on this city, in this city, I feel like I'd love to spend a lot more time here. How beautiful that is. The other thing that's really cool about this is it's not crowded either. Look at all these beautiful buildings. There's even some rooftops up there that look really cool. Let's see what's down this street. This street looks pretty cool too. And there's even like, it looks like a little, something's there that looks really interesting. I kind of wanted to go down that way, but now that I'm seeing that, I kind of want to see that. Look at this, here's a Lingan style. Looks like a coffee shop right there with somebody in it. There's a lot of scooters around here. I think it's kind of a chill place to go to get a scooter. Yeah, right there, there's like a little Lingan coffee shop. Let's kind of see what that's all about. Jingmen parking. Here's the roads that we're at. Another city I might label the roads, but I don't think I will today. Oh, this is really nice. I think it's oh, hello. It's like oh, okay. Oh, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Oh, this is really cool. Zhongshan is another city not too far from here. Jinqian Road. I want to go and see what this little clock tower is. This says, I don't know what that says, but you can see all the historical buildings right there. Taishan is kind of cool. Like, really cool. It's funny because I've been trying to watch YouTube videos about Taishan because I'll see some really amazing. Oh, check this out, this little alley right in here. Little coffee shop in there. Let me see what this coffee shop is. Kind of curious to go down in here anyways. Hello.
Hello.
Coffee shop.
Yeah.
And it's down here. Like, just let me just see. Oh, okay. So it looks like you can also kind of go around in there. Pretty cool. Ah. Sushi. Sushi. They got a coffee shop in there. I kind of should see it, but it's also kind of cool because they have these designs on the walls in this little alley too. I need to study more Chinese so I can interact more with people because it'd be a lot of fun to do. It's like a little clothing shop. It's like, yeah, it looks really cool. Yeah, Taishan. I'll tell you why I'm making that sound. I'm making the sound because I kind of wanted to like see a lot in this area. There's a lot of stuff in this area of Guangdong, including a whole other area that's about 1 hour away north of here. This took me 2 hours to get here by DD. Oh, those balconies look amazing. Really like that building. It's like Art Deco style and these like big long balconies. I can't help but think that some of these apartments compared to Macau prices, or it's gotta be like really good prices. And it looks like quality of life here is probably like everything looks super clean. Got beautiful housing. And then you got those balconies like that. That building is an ugly building, but those balconies are beautiful. They're really spacious. And then yeah, you can see they kind of hang some plants in there. Probably do laundry as well. But you can do anything you want in those, really. Here's what a police station looks like, so I'm not going to film. I kind of want to go straight ahead and see what that's all about. Then you got these beautiful palm trees too. I would see those in Zhuhai as well. I don't know if the police station's to the left or to the right, but I see a couple of police cars. But we're gonna go straight to this city hall looking thing with the and our video is getting a little bit long already. It's getting longer than I want it to be. But I wanted to see this. This is like, it looks like there's like a, let's go over there and take a look. There's like a gate thing, but it looks like a nice historical building. So I think what I'm gonna do is, because I don't want to have a super long video. Junction 3 lanes. Junction Road. Looks like it's gonna end. But anyways, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna end the video. Looks really cool. It's big giant windows. So that one I was kind of curious about, but I don't know what that is. I don't want it to be some kind of, I don't know what it could be, anything. It could be a city hall. But I'm just gonna explore the city streets. But anyways, let's go down there. So we're gonna turn this one off and we're gonna end it. So at least you have an idea of what Taishan looks like. So yeah, I'm gonna do some other Taishan videos as well. So stay tuned for that. Beautiful palm trees. Let's end it right there.